If you like to build your own money-making website, without creating any content, no paid traffic, no expensive outsourcing for freelancers, not even to buy a single plugin, or pay a lot of money for premium theme subscription, then pay attention. In this short video, I can show you how to get fully automated video curator website. Getting fresh content every day, monetized with affiliate products. From ClickBank, Amazon, or any affiliate network. We have saved all the time to make this professionally designed website. Ready for you to get it up and running, in just few clicks. Monetize with your affiliate IDs. This is 100% unique product, you cannot find somewhere else. If you did not bought from us before, only with our professional expert team, you just relax, because we already did the hard work for you. We have already set up a premium theme, installed all the time saving necessary plugins. We automated this website, with related content to your website niche, without you lifting a finger. We have customized every piece of the website for you. We have turned the basic WordPress dashboard to new look that makes your website looks very professional. And we packed all these in one zipped file, you just extract in few minutes. To your hosting and your site up and running, 100% in complete autopilot.
You are literally few steps away from getting your own professionally designed WordPress website. And start generating unlimited related content that will attract unlimited traffic, leads, and profits from banner ads. With our professional non-seen-before premium service, you can start getting that in just few steps. Step 1. Purchase your domain or use existing one. Step 2. Place your order now. St. Fees 3. Download pre-made turnkey website restoring files. Step 4. Upload the files to your server. And just relax, watch your site get tons of viral related content that you can share on social media to bring more interested leads to your content. To show them your ads. Then collect the commissions that will start flow to your account. All you have to do is just follow a very short videos, even your 14 years old kid can follow it to get things done. Even you can hire one of our team to do this part for you, and you just watch your favorite movie in Netflix. That's it, your job is done, your site will start getting new content automatically added, and the search engine will start discovering your new pages right away. Sending you visitors day after day. So how these sites making money? The customization we already applied for your site, taking place behind the scene. We set website to generate content related to your site niche, with affiliate link inside. So every time someone comes to your site, clicks your affiliate links and buys, you earn commission. The website we built will fetch the content from YouTube, Amazon, ClickBank and RSS news feeds, in complete autopilot. No duplicate content, without any issue with copyrights. Videos, article, images, posted to your site without you doing anything.
How cool is that? And if you think about it, it costs less than most people spend on coffee every single month. And after you get your site up and running, our professional support providers will help you with anything needed for your site. Not only that, for the coming year, we will update and do the maintenance for you, if you order the setup service, or hosting service from us. Updating theme and plugins, taking care of the website database, and technical stuff, to keep your site up and running, very smoothly. For every beginner, who wants to build new website, has to worry about 1. Time. WordPress has a steep learning curve. 2. Quality. Your first few attempts at building your own WP blog are liable to be pretty pathetic. 3. Selecting the right income-generating, theme and time-saving plugins for your site is an art. 4. Writing daily content is hugely time-consuming, and besides, many of us, not particularly good writers. 5. Paying for maintenance is a monthly expensive. Well, now you don't have to worry about any of that, because we are experts at doing all of it. One of the most popular ways for beginners to make money with a blog is affiliate marketing, such as putting the right ads in strategic locations on your site. But do you know how to do this, to take advantage of these income-generating tactics? No worries, because we do. Your new blog will be loaded with money-making ads and interesting viral content that will be generated for you daily. Currently, the top money-making niches are finance, food, fashion, travel, marketing, health and fitness, mom blog, lifestyle, sports, news. We already included the number 1 and 2 in this product for you.
So, act now and get the service directly from the product creator. Start building your blogging empire with mobile-friendly responsive WP blogs today. Just click on the link below.